Let's make some carrot cake cupcakes. I love a good carrot cake in the spring. Start by grating 1.5 cups of carrots or use pre-shredded carrots. This is way more than 1.5 cups. Now you're going to get a bowl for your dry ingredients. To that bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and mix that together and then set it to the side. You're going to grab another bowl. This one's for the wet ingredients. To that, you're going to add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of applesauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cups of regular white sugar, 2 large eggs, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and whisk all the wet ingredients together, and then when it's thoroughly mixed, add in your flour mixture to the wet mixture. Once you combine that, this is where you add in the 1.5 cups of carrots. I also add in some chopped pecans because I love the way it tastes. And then with a paddle spatula, just gently combine that. And then to get your cupcake pan ready, just line them with some pretty cupcake liners. I got these from Walmart, and there should be enough batter to make 12 cupcakes. And then they're going to bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees and come out looking golden beautiful. Now to make the frosting, we are going to make a cream cheese frosting. So to your stand mixture, go ahead and add in a block of room temperature cream cheese and room temperature butter, about 4 tablespoons of butter. Whisk those together thoroughly and then add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Not all at once, it will go everywhere. I also added half a teaspoon of vanilla to the frosting. Now to decorate, I added my frosting to a piping bag with a tip that I thought would look nice. If you don't have these materials, I have done it with a plastic bag many a times. I got a little fancy in my opinion with the pecan on top and then these violas from my garden, which are edible flowers. And I feel like it really drives the point home that it's spring and spring baking is upon us. I think they came out so cute, and if you've never had carrot cake before, you're missing out.